Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to delete your Guarda wallet account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply scroll through your homepage and tap open your Guarda wallet app. So once you open it, you need to now unlock your account by typing in your password and you will end up in this page. Now all you need to do is simply tap on the settings option and then scroll through the drop down menus. Now in the menu you can find several other options where you need to select the help center option. Once you tap on it, you need to tap on the online help and then you will be redirected to this kind of page, where all you need to do is enter your name, your subject of query, your email address, and what ways you can be helped by the Guarda Help Center. So once you enter all the credentials, you need to simply press on the send message option and your query will be solved via your email. So in this way you will get an email by the Guarda team, and finally you can delete your Guarda wallet account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.